Hello friends, today we are going to see some plus size shorts, 3/4 capris, and we are also going to see some tracks. And the good news today is the clothing what I am showing you is a very comfort fit clothing especially for you. The shorts, tracks, 3/4 all are very comfort fit. You can wear it for walking, exercise, yoga or just for home casual wear. And the collection starts from rupees 270 onwards. It's a pure cotton fabric. It is also stretchable. It's a nice stretch cotton fabric. Comes in very good trendy colors. It's going to be very comfortable for you in all weather. You're going to be very happy when you wear this. All the shorts, tracks, everything is unisex. Men and women both can wear this. So let me start with the shorts. So we have plus size in 5XL, 6XL and 7XL. So before we begin, I'm going to show you the size of all these three. So I have 5, 6 and 7 with me. See, this is up 5XL. We have 6 and we have 7XL. So first I'm going to show you the size. 5XL is suitable for up to 50 hip size. 5XL, if your hip size is up to 50, 46, 48, 44, then you can go for size 5XL. Let me show you. See, this starts from here all the way up to here. 26, it comes 52. So up to 48, 50 you can wear it comfortably. Next, let me show you 6XL size. So if your hip size is up to 56, then you can go for 6XL. It's all the garments are very comfort fit. It's not a tight fit. See, this starts from here all the way up to 28. So 56 comfortably you can go for 6XL. And let me show you 7XL. This is 7XL, friends. See, up to 64 hip size. See this, friends, starting all the way from here going up to here. See, it comes 32, 33. So up to 64 you can comfortably wear this. All the garments are comfort fit. So let me show you the collections. So we have shorts starting from 5XL onwards. So we have lovely colors: dark grey, light grey, brown, black, navy blue. So these are the basic colors which you will always get. So these are the shorts collection. So the shorts, please show us this. See, the shorts are a comfort fit shorts, not too tight, not too loose. These are casual, very good for home wear, for exercise wear, very good. Let's see 3/4 next. So coming to 3/4, we have two brands of 3/4. So I'm going to show you the Old Navy brand. So this brand is a nice loose fit. See, this brand makes very comfort, very loose fitting, very comfortable fit, I would say. It's a nice comfort loose fit. So if you want to wear nice loose fitting, or if you have your thighs are a little more bigger, your hip size you want it to be more comfortable, you can go for this brand. If you want something which is more little narrow, gives you a good shape, then you can check out this brand, the NCI brand. See, this brand size, if you see, it's slightly little narrower than that. NCI brand is available up to 5XL, suitable for 48 hip size, 50. Old Navy brand is available up to 7XL, 5, 6 and 7XL. We have 3/4 starting from rupees 285 onwards. See, these are 3/4 starting from rupees 265, 270, 285. Next, we are going to see track pants. Track pants start from rupees 325 for size 5XL. We have three brands: Old Navy, NCI, and also we do have CNC. So every quality is good. Quality wise, it's a very nice soft material, very good for exercising, yoga, for every purpose, for walking. So let me show you the fitting of the three pants. The track pants are very nice and comfortable. Can we stretch it and see? Please stretch. Yeah, see, it's a nice comfort fit. See, it's a nice comfort fit fully. So we have different brands in this. If you want a little narrow fit, let me show you NCI brand. The NCI brand is slightly a narrow fit. See, this fit is a more little narrow fit than Old Navy. If you want something little more narrow fit, you can go for NCI brand. If you want a more thicker fabric, then we have the CNC brand tracks. These tracks cost you $5.95, and the good thing about this is that you have zip on both the sides of the pocket. See, this also suitable up to 52-54 size. This fabric is slightly thicker than the previous Old Navy. It's a cotton fabric, a very nice comfort fit. So we can deliver you all this throughout India, friends. So just call us and we are here to help you and guide you for your suitable size and your fit. These all track pants are suitable for women and men. Many hundreds of customers have bought this from us and they are very happy. So even you try us, even if you want one piece, we can still courier to you. You can try it and see. If you are happy, you can come back to us for more, friends. So don't hesitate to give us order also for one piece also. You will definitely like it. Thank you. Coming to t-shirts, if you are going for walking or a gymming purpose, we have nice round neck t-shirts which are nice sweat absorbent, cotton, skin friendly. Sizes available 46, 48 up to 50. I'm going to measure and show you the chest size. We also do have 52. So 3, 4, 5 and 6XL available. You can see the chest size. You can always tell us your chest size and we can give you the best t-shirt which is suitable for you, friends. The price of these t-shirts, you can pick any 3 for $8.95 only. We got these lovely colors. You can take any 3 only for $8.95. Thank you.